Hey guys, so I'm back with another hair video and today I'll be showing you a few different ways to curl your hair. Start by taking a section of your hair and comb through it. Spray some heat protection mist and flatten it with your fingers. Wrap your hair around the curling iron and hold it for a few seconds. Take a pencil and wrap a section of your hair around it. Use a hair straightener to apply heat. Press it gently and release it for a very tight curl. Take out a piece of aluminium foil. Wrap a section of your hair over your fingers. Hold the section and cover it with the foil. Use a hair straightener to apply heat and hold it for a few seconds. Once it's cooled down, take off the foil and release. Take a thin section of hair and wrap it tightly around the curling iron. Hold it for a few seconds and let it set in the palm of your hand. Release it and you'll be left with a well-defined curl. So these were a few different ways to curl your hair. Let me know if you try any of these in the comment section below. Subscribe to POPxo TV. Also, since Valentine's Day is just around the corner, POPxo is hosting its Love Fest on 12th of February at 1 Golden Mile, Delhi from 1 PM onwards. You can bring your besties or your boyfriend and I'll see you there. Bye!